Hey villagers, we've had a request today for a tutorial on how to use our mini bow maker. This is our mini bow maker. I use these for inner ornaments and things like that. They come in actually 4 sizes. This is the smallest. So usually I use a 3/8 inch wide ribbon or less on this mini one. And today all I could find was a 5/8, so I'm going to do that tutorial on it with a 5/8. Normally I cut this about 8.5 inches for an ornament. This is 10.5 inches. So I'm going to leave a little bit of tail on this one side, and leave a little bit of a space right there. I'm going to take it around the back one time, leave it on top of my thumb so I have a space kind of created. Thread it right through this bottom piece right here. And then I bring this up and tuck it in this reverse side right underneath there. And then you just pull. What you're going to end up with is the cute little ribbon with 2 sides there. You can kind of finagle this and pull it every which way you want until you're about as even as you get it. And then you end up with this little bow. If I want to add a little string tied to it, I can wrap this around it, or on the back side of this ribbon, I can actually thread this through, or I can tie it in it when I'm going around the back side. Kind of up to you. Then you take your ornament and loop it, pull it, you've got a cute little bow.